video I really want to make, but I want to kind of apologize to anybody who's been following my shorts about this long video I've been talking about coming out for painting my truck. There's this electric company called Owen Electric in northern Kentucky, like Duke or whatever. But anyway, we paid them 2 weeks ago, and they shut our power off. And they have all these little fees or whatever, or like a list of fees that don't make any sense. So without Wi-Fi, it's been hard to get this video out. Well, I did get it out on Monday, which I said I was going to in my last short. But the problem is I got a copyright claim, of course. So now I have to take the music out that I used and re-edit the video with different music, probably in a different video editor, because the one I use isn't the best. I'm not making any more promises. It's all, if I say I'm making a video and I'm trying to like promote it or whatever, I'm not going to say it's going to be out on this date. I'll say it should be out this day maybe, or I'll say it'll be out soon. But I'm not making any more promises. Whatever. Anyway, this is my little rant for the day. I will see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoy my long video of me restoring my truck.